Hey y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back to Simply Key, where I do and say everything and nothing at all. Today I'm going to be trying on all the business clothes that I bought with my school's money. So, without further ado, Kiana the professional. So I love this suit. I mean, I just look good. So what can I say? She's giving business. Okay, sorry. So I really like this suit. I think it's giving senator. It's giving authoress. It's giving business. I just look at the material, baby. Hello. Enchanté. Okay, let me stop. Next. This is giving waitress, but this is giving business. So I got this blazer from Goodwill, y'all. I got it from Goodwill. Hold on, y'all. I'm usually not a fan of button-ups because I'm well developed in the chest, but ooh, my stomach. I really like this. Like, hello, it's me. Doesn't make me want to say, and that's Dr. Wells to you. Listen. Can't tell me nothing. Like, so as you can see, very businesslike. Yeah, I look good. I think I spent about $400 actually, maybe a little bit less. I look good, and I can't wait to do my headshots for my med school interviews and stuff. Like, you really can't tell me nothing after this. So I hope you like this video. Let me know what type of videos you would like in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and that's it. Oh.